Vicky's also saying, I feel like I was really involved, but lately just blocked. Yeah, that happens. And one of the reasons, you might be wondering, why do I get blocked, right? And excuse me, you might be wondering, why do I get blocked? One of the reasons why people get blocked with their gifts is because just the energy of what's going on around you, right? And especially like with COVID, with COVID, the whole lockdown thing, a lot of people are in solitude, stuck, or maybe they're angry. Well, all of those types of emotions, right, that are heavier, deeper, those stuck types of energies, those energies could actually block your gifts. Okay, so that's one. Another thing that could block your gifts is just when you try too hard, right? Or you overthink it. Let me know if that's you. Like you might be overthinking things, or it might be a combination of all of these things, right? But when you try too hard, effort is actually the opposite of being psychic. You notice when you got the 333s, or like for me, when the lights turned off out of nowhere, I wasn't thinking, right? It's not like you were thinking, right? They just kind of came out of nowhere. And then all of a sudden, even the dreams that came out of nowhere, right? So that's how it works, right? You have to get to the point of not thinking, and that's easier said than done. That's why I have all the training that I offer. And then this whole thing about overthinking, right? Trying too hard, overthinking. Number 3 was overthinking. Yeah, that's a challenge for anyone, especially when everything is happening around you, and then you felt so open with your gifts at one time, and then all of a sudden they felt disconnected again, right? So then the frustration comes in, and then your gifts are even more blocked as a result, right? So yeah, there are tools, and in my 7-day challenge I even teach you how to ground, how to clear that energy, and then how to safely open your third eye, right, without being bombarded by all this foreign energy. And let me know if you're like an empath. Empaths have like extra challenges because not only can you feel energy, but then you absorb everyone else's energies, right? And when you absorb everyone else's energies, then that can cause a block too. Okay. All right. Let's see. Vicky said,